Welcome everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to add user authentication to a React web project using the Vault Vision Login as a Service. In this demo, I'll show you how to add user authentication to a real production-ready React app using a very well-known open source React Boilerplate Starter Kit project. First off, we'll start by creating a brand new account on the vaultvision.com website. All we need is a name and an email address to register a new account on Vault Vision. Now, normally we'd use a FIDO security token, but for this demo, we'll just use a password because that's what more people are familiar with. But the FIDO security token adds a lot more security, adds anti-phishing capabilities. You can't get the password out of it through malware. It's just a much better way to log in, and it's passwordless. But for this demo, like I said, we're just going to use a password. That's because everybody's more familiar with that, and it'll be easier to showcase this integration of a React app into our login as a service product. So once the account is created, we'll have to simply verify the email address used by clicking a link in the email that was sent to my inbox. So once I've done that, we'll launch us right into the Vault Vision Management Getting Started wizard. And so here we're going to create our tenant. This tenant is what holds all of the users for your React app. And we're going to pretend that we're starting a company of the best React devs. And so we will create a new login page at bestreactdevs.vvkey.io. And again, here we'll just simply put our company name, Best React Devs, and we'll upload our logo. And it takes me a little bit to drag and drop this logo over there. It's having a little trouble with my mouse, but we'll get it. There we go. And again, we'll create a single page web app. This is for React, so this could also be used for Vue. And the defaults we're going to use are these localhost defaults. And the reason we're doing that is so that it's very easy to get up and running with this React app running locally, but still integrating with our production-ready login as a service authentication platform. And here we're just going to accept these defaults. We're going to allow passwords, we're going to allow social logins, and we're going to allow FIDO2 security key logins. All right, success. Now that that's done, we're going to copy these environment variables. And this is really all we need to do to connect our new React application to Vault Vision. So I'm just going to save these off as a .env file that we'll later put into our new React boilerplate project. So to get going with our boilerplate project, we're going to go to our GitHub repo that lives on the Vault Vision GitHub site, and we're going to just clone this down. We're going to clone this and run it locally. So there's the GitHub address for our React boilerplate. Now this boilerplate has been specially pre-configured to work with our Vault Vision system. And it's a nice demo. You can look at the code to figure out exactly what those integration touch points are for your own projects. Or this is a production-ready React app with all of the production features that you would expect. So now that we've cloned it down, we're going to install it with a quick npm install. This will take a minute. And as you see, we just need to move into the directory. So let's cd into our React application, and then we will run that npm install again. And this is just pulling down all of the npm packages that are used by this boilerplate application. All right, and now that that has been installed, we'll simply run npm start, and you'll notice it's warning us that the end file is missing. So we haven't yet copied that over to our project. So we will do that now. We'll open our notepad and we will save this into the React Boilerplate project as a .env file and start our application. And now we can see our application is running on localhost port 3000. And when we visit it, we will pull up our homepage, and you can see it's already integrated with a login and a register button. And you can see there's a dashboard page and a profile page. So let's just try the login integration. And here we come to our very own login page branded with our Best React Devs logo. And let's create an account. So let's provide a name. We'll do new account as the name, and of course an email address. And again, for this demo, we'll use a password, but ideally we'd want to register a FIDO2 security token instead. And lo and behold, it's just that simple to register a new account, have a dashboard page and a profile page. And on this sample profile page, we give an example of the ID token and the access token that you can use for doing future API calls or whatever your application needs. It's just that easy to add user authentication to a React app with our Vault Vision login as a service. Thank you.